Hello everybody, this is David from Cpap.com, and today I want to talk to you about Cpap Supplies. What are Cpap Supplies? Cpap Supplies are any item that you use to support your CPAP therapy, like your mask or your machine, that may wear out or eventually need to be replaced over time. So that includes things like mask parts, machine parts. It also includes things like cleaning items, comfort items, you name it. If it helps your CPAP therapy or helps you sleep better, it's probably falling into the Cpap Supplies category. Now, what people may not know is that there is a definite replacement schedule for certain items. Some items last longer than others, some will wear out more quickly, and I'm actually going to read off the replacement schedule to you so that you can ask yourself, have I replaced this item within the recommended time frame, and you'll know if it's time to order new supplies for your CPAP mask or CPAP machine. So with an ideal replacement schedule, your mask should be replaced once every 6 to 12 months completely. Just get rid of the old thing and buy a whole new mask. Your cushion is good for 3 to 6 months. Your headgear is good for 6 to 9 months. Your hose will last 6 to 12 months. Your humidifier chamber is good for 6 to 12 months. Your reusable filter is good for about 6 months, and your disposable fine filter should be replaced once every month or when it begins to look discolored. So the idea is you would want to stock up so you don't run out and your therapy can always remain in tip-top shape, and you'll be continuing to get the best benefit from your CPAP therapy that you possibly can. So what are some of the items that we sell at Cpap.com that are Cpap Supplies? We sell humidifier chambers for older machines. We sell humidifier chambers for newer machines. Machine parts for machines that aren't currently being sold, or older machines. We have mask wipes. We sell CPAP hoses. We sell cleaning sprays for your CPAP machine. We also sell full-blown CPAP cleaners where you can put in your CPAP equipment and sanitize it pretty quickly. We also sell soaps and cleaners. We have a wide range of stuff, and you never know what you'll find when you come onto our website and shop. So we're adding new stuff constantly, so if you visit our website and visit our supplies section, you will find not only the parts you need to keep your CPAP machine and mask in tip-top shape, but you'll also find a whole bunch of other stuff that can make your CPAP therapy the best it can possibly be. And that's the goal, right? We want our CPAP therapy to be good, effective, and help us give us that boost of energy we're looking for in the morning, and make sure that our therapy stays on track. So thank you everybody for watching. Have a great day.